Welcome back, everybody. This is Pink Frock Yellow Boots from Behavior, working towards achieving holistic health for everybody. In today's topic, we are considering love marriage, arranged marriage, and the concept of marriage in itself. Starting with love marriage. Love marriages are those where the couple has already been in love with each other before they got married. Here we are speaking of a couple that met through family, through other platforms, anywhere, and fell in love before they got married. An arranged marriage concept is where the families brought together the two people and they got married and love conspired. So, we all hear, there is a major case of divorce in love marriages or in arranged marriages, or less in arranged marriages or in love marriages. But in totality, when we speak of marriages, the relationship before marriage and after marriage are different. Simply because the two people and their role change in each other's life. So, when the couple has known each other before marriage and has been in love, the situation is that they have been in love with each other, and most of the time the families are not aware and they did not have the responsibility that the marriage brings with it of the family. Also, the likings and disliking based on the relationship with each member of the family and the people involved isn't being tested there. So, when speaking of love marriage or arranged marriage and how things change after marriage, is simple that before marriages, the couple who has understood each other based on the family background, how they have been raised, their values, their little behaviors, their relationship with their family members is all taken into consideration, will have a far smoother marriage than people who haven't considered these little things before marriage. So, a marriage brings with it the responsibility not just of the two people involved but the families, as well as a couple, they start a new life in which responsibilities start becoming different. It is not that you meet for a while, have a good time, let go of little things, little issues because you don't have that much time, that now after marriage you will have. You will start to know each other's hobbies, habits that you are okay with or you are not okay with. Also, letting go of the little habits that you are not okay with causes a major trouble after marriage, because letting go of it constantly will impact your own health, your own thought process towards the other person, and cause issues. Also, after marriage, relationship change with responsibility, like I said, but also changes in status. Now that before, if people were in love marriage and they have known each other, they have took that time out for each other, after marriage that time span increases and so does the time they allot to different people in their life is coming into picture, which at times, if not dealt wisely in a healthier manner, may cause trouble with prioritizing people in their life. While in arranged marriages, if couple have not had enough time to know each other, to speak to each other, the concept of marriage is first of all taken with responsibility. Now, what conversations or what expectations the couple has had before marriage in this arranged marriage concept has a lot of influence on the marriage. The personality of the two couple also impacts the marriage in a major way, where couples or individuals who haven't given a thought about what changes life will bring in them and to them in in and after marriage is something that needs to be considered by every couple before tying the knot. Here, what I'm trying to tell you is that be it arranged marriage or love marriage, once you get married, a lot of things change in life. And if they have not been considered in the initial phases, then it might bring disturbance and situations that you haven't thought of dealing with. When such situations arises, what the couple does together and individually decides where the marriage will go. It might happen that before you used to give time to each other, completely devoted in that time towards each other, will now be divided between people and responsibilities of running the household and maintaining the relationship with the laws. Also, the finances, the relationship that each individual has with the family, the division of chores, everything that comes gradually in a relationship, including rearing kids, going after their hobbies, working or non working, household chores to be divided between couple, how the families deal with the couple will all impact the marriage. When this happens, what the two people in this knot do decides where the marriage will go. Thus, be it arranged marriage or love marriage, considering the whole situation and the changes that the knot will bring to your life is important to consider. It is easier to deal with each other, to be with each other, to feel the love when responsibilities, relationships are not entangled. That is why, be it arranged marriage or love marriage, the two people, their behavior, their coordination matters much more than the time the two have got to spend with each other. Because the whole situation will change once marriage has happened. I hope this helps. If people have any queries regarding their love life, arranged marriages, premarital counseling, postmarital counseling, I would be glad to be of help and I would look forward for you people to reach out. Please leave your comments down below. Also, consider things before you tie the knot as you get into a relationship. Because a single knot may bring a lot of changes, but the bond between two people is decided and depends on the two people who are involved in the relationship. Take care. See you next week.